In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file a Schedule C in TurboTax, and we'll go through the process quickly and simply. Filing taxes can feel overwhelming, especially if you're self-employed, but TurboTax makes the process much easier with step-by-step guidance. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website from Intuit. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click Sign In. If you're new to TurboTax, you'll need to create an account by following the on-screen instructions. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details to continue. After signing in, you'll be taken to the TurboTax dashboard, where your tax return is managed. From the navigation menu, click on Federal. This section is where you enter and manage your federal tax information. Next, select Wages and Income. This area allows you to add different sources of income that apply to your situation. Scroll down until you find the search bar within this section and type Schedule C. The results will show a category related to self-employment income and expenses. Click on that option. TurboTax will then ask if you're ready to start tracking your self-employment income and expenses. Click Start to begin filling out your Schedule C. From here, the software will guide you through several questions about your business, including your income, expenses, and other details related to your self-employment activities. As you go through these prompts, make sure to enter your information carefully and accurately. Providing complete details helps ensure your tax return is correct and may also help you qualify for deductions related to your business. In some cases, TurboTax may recommend upgrading to a version designed for self-employed individuals. This version is specifically built to handle business income and expenses more thoroughly, helping you track deductions and financial details more effectively. Once you finish answering the questions, TurboTax will automatically prepare your Schedule C and include it in your tax return. Before submitting your return, review all your entries carefully to make sure everything is accurate. And that's how you file a Schedule C using TurboTax. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your tax filing.